Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and I'm showing you what my refrigerator usually looks like. It's got water and it has iced tea, and this iced tea is so good. It is never bitter, and it's one of the easiest iced teas to make. And if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. It's coming up next. What you need is 1/2 cup sugar or Splenda, 3 tea bags, and water. First thing I do is put the sugar, Splenda in this case, in the pitcher, and then I fill the pitcher about halfway full of the boiling water. And then I top it off with room temperature water. Float the tea bags on the top. Put the lid on it and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then it goes in the fridge. Doing it this way, I have never had bitter tasting iced tea. You can add lemon, orange, lime, whatever fruit you want. This one is a pitcher of blueberry tea. But these are really tasty, and I go through them like crazy. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.